Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to customize your background wallpaper with a focus, and you can also add your name. So swipe on down from the top right, and then go to the option where it says focus right here, and hold down on that. So using this, you can customize just with your name or personalize it a little bit more. So you can see I have Ruby on here and then Timbo Slice. So we can just go down the plus icon, and we can go to the focus we want, or we can just go to custom. Now the cool thing about this is if we type something in here, it's going to display on our home screen when we lock it. So let's type in Timothy, then go back. Actually, we want to save that. So let's just type that in. So on the bottom under this keyboard, you should be able to see the option. Right here, go to next, and then go to customize. And then you can customize your screen too. So let's go to choose. So let's choose one of these. So I could do this one right here. Go to done. And then I can go to choose over here. I can customize the home page. Now when I lock it, it's going to show up. So also my name is going to be on there. So before we actually lock it, we have to go back over to the focus now. And we have to switch it on over. So let's go to Timothy. So that's on. Let's lock my phone. And then here it is. So you can see my name at the bottom down here as well. And then we can unlock it, which is kind of cool. And you can do this with each individual focus. So I can go back over here and I can go to a different one. So here's Timbo Slice. And this is just going to be like the beach background. And I can unlock this real quick. So you can go back and forth between your focuses and change your home screen, your background, etc. And it's pretty cool. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.